activists now hitting the Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department with a lawsuit over a confrontation with an officer during a 2020 demonstration protesting the murder of George Floyd. Lawyers for Jamie Marsicano filed the lawsuit this morning, alleging negligence and defamation against her.
Well, they also claim violations in the state's law to expunge criminal charges. Investigators said Marsicano, who now identifies as transgender, was one of the demonstrators who shoved then-Captain Brad Koch. Mecklenburg County's district attorney later dropped Marsicano's charges to ease tensions. Marsicano's lawyers claim the charges should be erased from her record under the state's criminal expungement law.
They also say Koch defamed their client in a conversation with Georgia prosecutors earlier this year. They say Koch, now a CMPD major, told prosecutors about the 2020 altercation after her arrest for an Atlanta area protest.
It's deeply disturbing. It harmed Jamie. It's not what taxpayers want. It's not what taxpayers expect of their police department. And this lawsuit is intended to stop this exact sort of behavior.
Let's go ahead and bring in Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes to the conversation right now. And Khalif, we all saw what happened that day of the protest. Does this case have legs?
Definitely. I had an opportunity to talk with Attorney Emery, as we see there at his press conference the other day. And what he explained to me was what's laid out in the complaint. This will boil down to, did you know the information that you were saying was false? Did you reasonably know it? And was it made public? Did it amount to negligence? You making that statement? And was there some type of damages? And so obviously this was a public hearing. His thing was live streamed on YouTube down there in Georgia. At the time, the officer made the statement to Georgia officials, and then Georgia officials used that during this individual's bond hearing. And so all this information was public. I guess what it really boils down to is, was the individual's record expunged? At the time, there was an automatic expungement for cases during December of 2021 to November or August of 2022. And so during that time, his attorneys alleged that the case should have been expunged. He took a number of individuals up to the clerk's office and showed them that this is expunged. CMPD refutes that claim and says, no, it is not expunged. It's still public record. It's still showing. And so that will be the issue. If it's not expunged, then he had no knowledge and it would not be a false statement. I think that will be the only issue that you'll be arguing at court. And for sure, this is a case that a judge will need to hear. And CMPD will 100% file pretrial motions to get this case dismissed.
Well, so the question here is, what happens next for Koch?
Pretrial motions all day. They'll go back and forth. In terms of the officer with CMPD, he'll continue to be a major with the department. The department stood behind him in their statement today. They said that he didn't use any department resources in terms of making that public statement, that everything was off of his own recollection. And so they believe that everything he did was 100% legal and ethical. And so they'll defend their individual in that matter. And the attorneys for the defendant at the time will now make a decision and say, listen, this was defamation. You have defamed me, and there has been damages. They're currently a law student at UNC Chapel Hill and been removed from classes. This incident has had a trickle-down effect on her life. And so because of that, she can clearly point to damages. The only thing that may not be crystal clear is if it was a false statement. And the courts will decide that.
All right.
Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes, thanks for breaking this down for us and for the latest on this developing story. And for the full lawsuit, as we know it right now, visit our website at qcnews.com.